family, welcome back beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. And you might be wondering, like, why is she sweating? Why do I hear birds chirping? I am actually in my home country, Suriname. I went to visit my family and I did these quick and easy chunky, are they chunky? I don't know if they're chunky, Havana braids or Havana twists or Marley twists. I don't know how you call them, but you'll see it in the title. I did this very quickly, very easily, and I'm gonna show you how I did it. It is super lazy, it is super natural with the edges out and stuff like that. So if you want to know how you do this, keep watching. I'm gonna show you. I got you. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe, I would very much appreciate it. And welcome to the family, which means family. I'm not gonna talk too much, let's get into these twists. Okay, beautiful people, so I started with my hair wet yesterday, freshly washed. I just part my hair a little bit. I might part it better later on, I don't know, I might not. This is supposed to be quick and easy. And then I just twisted up my hair in like these medium twists. And the trick is gonna be that most of the twist is gonna be my hair, and then I'm gonna use small sections of my braiding hair, which I've already put in sections, put them on little hangers. The trick is gonna be that I'm gonna take like really small sections of the braiding hair, but most of the hair, my phone, blowing up my phone. But most of the hair in the twist is gonna be my own hair, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit of the braiding hair. So I washed my hair, I twisted, waited for it to dry. So I slept with it overnight, and today's the next morning, and I'm gonna twist it. Let's do it. So I quickly just wanted to show you guys the process of me twisting the hair. So the first thing that I do is I prep the braiding hair by moisturizing it with a cream. Right now I'm using a mask by Shea Moisture that I don't really use on my hair. By doing this, I just make sure that the synthetic hair is not stripping my own hair of moisture, because we don't want that, no bueno. Then I prep my own hair, I undo the twist, and then I just moisturize it with a leave-in. I put a big blob of the cream that I was using on my hand, and then I just twist it. I'll just show you like me doing a few twists, and I'll be right back with the technique. Okay, so we're up really close. For the front, I've taken really small sections so that the hair is not too bulky in the front. So I'm gonna undo the twist. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take out some baby hairs that look dry and crusty right now, but don't mind them. I'm kind of taking a little bit of edge control. You can use whatever edge control you like. And then I'm just gonna make this part a little bit neat. And then I'm gonna section it into two sections. I'm moisturizing the braiding hair, putting it in the middle, and I'm just gonna twist it over, outwards, upwards, whatever you want to call it. I'm twisting it away, and then I'm taking the bottom one and I'm twisting it inwards. Twist this up, twist this down, and then twist it over. And do the same thing. Twist it over, and then twist it again, and then over. Twirl it, twist it over, twirl it, twist it over. And honestly, because I haven't done this in a long time, I'm still like, okay, do I twist it outwards or upwards or down or whatever? And I don't really get it good in one go. Oh yeah, I twist, I twirl, and then I twist. Twirl, twist, twirl, twist. And the root is gonna be a little bit puffy, but I don't care. Like I said, this is lazy, this is easy, this is supposed to be quick. So I'm gonna have to redo this twist, which is annoying. I know what I did wrong. I didn't twirl the bottom, the top part enough. So like the rest is Gucci, but I didn't twirl this one enough. I'll redo it later, and I'm gonna show it to you again. And yeah, as you can see, this is kind of like invisible knot method. It's actually invisible knot method. Yeah, and that's basically how I do these twists. They're super simple. Once you get the twist of the invisible knot method, it's very easy. It's super easy. I like a messy look when I'm wearing twists, and as you can see, it gets kind of messy. But if you part it neatly, if you just, you know, add a little bit more edge control than I did, you should be good. If you're gonna try this, tag me on Instagram at Minerva13, and I would love to see it. Am I gonna see you there? I'll see you there. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed yet, why am I talking like this? I don't know, but I'm gonna keep doing it. If you're not subscribed yet, please do so, because I want to make like really cool videos. I want to entertain you, so let me know what you want to see. I will see you pretty soon, and soon does not have to be until I upload a new video, because I'm gonna put this new video right here. Ooh, how did that get here? Yes, you can watch this video. I'll see you in that video, and then I'll see you when I make a new one. Okay? Okay? Bye.